What's up guys, Ryan here. So today we're going to be installing the new exhaust on my brother's car. He has a 2005 Mustang GT with cams, stock mufflers. Sounds pretty good. I'll play a clip for it right now. So you got these on a guy off of Craigslist for how much, Randy?
50 bucks for both.
Raspy ass. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be raspy. What do you think, Randy?
Not a loud.
More loud? Maybe more loud. So make sure you have these for safety, just in case. And put the jack stand right there.
That's what. Go this up and down.
Make sure you put it right there and put these jack stands as well, just for the safety, so you won't die. Alright guys, so make sure you as well to put either wood, rocks, or their car won't roll up. My brother's e-brake doesn't work, so he has to put like rocks or something. But we just make sure to put that for safety as well. And these jack stands. Where do these jack stands go, Mundo? Show the people where these jack stands.
I'm the mechanic here, guys. Alright, on your axles.
Go right there, buddy. And your axles. The axles, both sides. But leave the jack stand in there just for safety. Alright guys, it's basically a easy installation. They're just,
Are you sure when this is the right one?
15mm bolts right there. And there's hangers. You just twist and pull, whatever, to get them off.
Hold the little thing and just twist the thing. And hold the little circle. For that we need extension. We need by extension.
Cords?
My thing is right there. There you go.
After you're taking it out, make sure you just lower this muffler and take it out. And put the other one back in where the hangers are at. And bolt it back in. That should be done. I'll get to you out once we're done installing it. Alright guys, out with the ode. Look at those tips. Stock tip blades. And then with the new, it's kind of centered. We just bolted on. Looks pretty good. We're gonna finish this one, and after that, talk to you guys and give you a little cold start. Hasn't been turned on in what, a day or two. That's the new one, how it looks, and this is what the old looks. This big old thing, boy, small thing. All right, guys. I think it's gonna sound loud, more loud. Let's go. Hey guys, we just finished installing them. Brand new tip. He's gonna do a cold start. Fucking loud.